Good morning and Sairam students. I welcome you all children. Today in drawing class we will start working with soft pastel colors. So let's start. First of all we will start coloring sky. For that we will use yellow, black and green color. To make this painting I am using soft pastel color, but if you are not having soft pastel colors you can also use oil pastel colors. But before using oil pastel colors you have to make rough sketch. Soft pastel colors are in powder form, so I am using them like this. To use these colors, we do not need to press the color too much. Now that we have spread this soft pastel color powder, I will start mixing it with my hands. After mixing each color, we have to keep in mind that we have to clean our hand with rough cloth. After mixing the color, I am using circle shape cutout and now I am using white color. And now I will start mixing it with my hand. After mixing color, I am making rings of the planet with white color. But if you want to make something as instead of planet, you can make it. Now I am using black, yellow, white and different green for detailing in planet. And beside coloring, I am also mixing it. Here I have used a little white color with yellow and now I am mixing it. Now I will make mountains, and for that I am using black color here. Now very carefully I will give the shape of the mountain with dispersed color powder. Now I am using green, black and white color to make land and water. Now again after spreading color, I will use my hand for mixing. This painting looks a bit light, so I am giving a touch of all used colors again. In the same way, I am using green and black color to make the planet a little darker. Same process I am using for sky also. For detailing in mountains, I am directly applying black color stick and then I will merge this line with mountains. If you think that mountains are looking little light, then you can color it darker. After coloring it now, mix smoothly and equally with your hands. Now again I am going to use more white color here. Now this time we have to mix it smoothly and equally with our hands. As some lines are seen in this green color area, we will smooth the color to remove it. Now I will use blue color between water and mountains and then mix it with these colors. These colors are very soft, that's why we have to be very careful while mixing these colors. Few lines are seen in black color, so we will smooth it by coloring a little more. I am mixing in a way so that all the lines can be removed smoothly. Now, with the help of white color, I will show light in the mountains and then mix it with black color. Now I am using black color to make rocks, and then again I will mix it with my hands. Now here I am using green color, and then again I will mix it smoothly. Now we will use white color to highlight rocks and water. And after this, mix everything smoothly. You can also use white pen or correction pen to show the stars after completing the painting. To make wall hanging, I am using orange, white and green A4 size paper. To make this wall hanging, I am using two sheets of each color. Now, I will mark half of this A4 sheet and then cut it into half. Now same process I will follow for white and green sheets. Now we will take a paper strip and then fold it into half and press it properly. Now again we will fold this strip in half. Now we will cut all this folded section, and same process we will repeat with all the paper strips. After cutting these strips, now I am having these small rectangular pieces. Now, one by one, with the help of pen, I will roll these small rectangular pieces. We have to keep in mind that all rolls of papers are equal to each other. Now, after folding more than half, at the end of this paper, I will apply glue and then I will paste it. After pasting the paper, wait for a few seconds and then take out the paper roll very carefully from the pen. Now, put the paper roll on the side and let it dry for a while. Just like this, we will make all the paper rolls one by one. Just like orange paper pieces, we will also make white and green paper pieces into rolls. After making rolls from all the papers, we will take scale and mark the center of a paper roll. Now, same process we will repeat with all these paper rolls. Now we will take a needle and thread and then tie that thread from end. Here you have to be careful while using needle, or you can ask your elders for helping or guiding you while using it. Now we will take a paper roll and make a hole on that roll where we marked center earlier and put that needle inside it. Now I will do this one by one with all the paper rolls. Now after completing, I will cut the remaining thread and tie that thread. Now, very carefully, I am doing these paper rolls backward in thread. You have to pay big attention here that how I am pasting paper rolls. I am using Favibond on one roll and rotating the other roll a little bit and then pasting it. While pasting it, you have to hold these paper rolls for few seconds so that they fix on their place. You can also use Favicol instead of Favibond. Now, same process I will follow till the end. After pasting all paper rolls, our wall hanging tricolor is ready.